I live surrounded by my worldly wares, in wealth reside. This very fact I rue, and look at all possessions. Furtive stares I throw at happiness, but find no clue. To win one heady moment free of cares, and feel it melting on my parching tongue, to sing all lyrics that are still unsung, and frolic unperturbed like mating pairs. I see one labourer, then in genuine mirth, when breaking stones one moment he espies. He wipes his perspiration from his eyes, and sees his love and rolls on dusty earth. My every moment with such pain is fraught. I know that love is wealth. Wealth is not.